Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to share a little bit. I've been streaming on Kick for maybe a week now, and I just wanted to give some in and outs. I've seen a few tutorials. I see the same two people, and they don't really go too in depth with some of the stuff. They'll go over the basics about how to set it up and all that kind of stuff, and you can find that on hundreds of different channels. But I'm gonna start a series. This is mainly gonna be of like the small stuff that they don't really show you. First thing I was wanting to show is timestamps. I know in Twitch, I like to know like how long ago, people have said stuff. Shout out to these people for popping into the stream. Just started. Uh, Feel free to pop in. I'll leave a link in the bio. But anyways, if you guys are wanting to do timestamps, I could figure it out. I was looking through settings through here, but it's just the settings buttons at the bottom. And what you're gonna want to do is hit show message timestamps right here, and it'll pop out for you right there. That was it for this one. It's gonna be a series. I'll be showing a lot more ins and outs of Kick, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch those.